Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video. Today I'm doing a review video of this Apple iPhone 11 Pro. This is my iPhone 11 Pro. I just purchased it today and I'm very excited, and it's my first ever phone of this one today, and I'm gonna just unbox it for you and show you right after the intro. And I'm back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this iPhone 11 Pro. This is the iPhone 11 Pro I'll be showing you, and it's got the dual camera, and it's the gold standard, and it's the 64 gig, and it's got the A13 Bionic chip in it, and I'm going to show you inside of it now. I'm going to open this box right now. Right. So here's the tab. You've got the tab on the bottom here. Got the tab on the bottom here, so to open it, so it opens like this. So it opens like this, like that, and then hold it from left like that, do like that, take it off. Wow! And look at this box. What an amazing box! And you know, and it looks all right. It looks so here we go. I'm gonna lift this up now. Here we go. So lift it up, lift the box up. Make sure nothing doesn't fall out of this box, as she says. Make sure. Okay, here it goes. Oh. Hang on, I thought I felt something then. Hang on, give me a minute. Something. Just make sure I don't drop it. There you go. So this is an unlocked version. I didn't get it. I got it from a shop. Well, I don't want to talk about it, but I got it from Apple. Yes, I got it from Apple. Okay, so okay, here it is. You see it? Yeah, I'm holding it very tightly. I don't want to drop it now. Okay, so here we go. So here's the Apple logo, and there's the 3 cameras. So you've got the 3 cameras on the back, and the paperwork should be underneath this as well. So what it should be shipped with this as well. And wow, look at that. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I mean, it's just, I'm gonna just put it on this box. Just hopefully, or put it on there, on here. Just put it on there so it doesn't. Okay. So what we've got in the accessory on the box. We've got everything accessories in the box. We've got the paperwork. We've got the paperwork here. We've got the guide, and it comes with the AirPods, and some of the new iPhones will not come with the AirPods. Oh well, okay, alright. So we've got the and then we've got the charger, the lightning to Type C to lightning as well. So I have to use I can use my iPad Pro charger. It comes with this comes with a charger. It comes with a charger as well. So I think I have to look at it. So it tells me what it is. So it tells me what it is. If it's I think somebody told me it was an 18-watt charger. Let's have a look if it's confirmed. Yes, it is. It's an 18-watt charger, same like the iPad Pro 2020. Okay, and yes, so here's the actual phone. So I'm going to sit down now. So all right, okay, hold it here. Oh, sorry. All right, okay, here we go. Hold it still. Careful. All right, okay. Oh. Oh, I thought I switched it on then. I'm not going to set it up yet, but I'm just going to show you the let me just bring myself a bit more forward so I can actually. Just bear with me for a minute. I'm just a bit nervous about this because I haven't got a case for this phone, and a screen protector for this phone. But I'll be safe, you know. So I'll be safe about this. Looking after this. So here we go. So it looks very nice. It looks it's got the same notch and the shampoo edges as well. You know, it looks very nice. It looks I'm very excited actually to to do a video of it and showing you how it works. Look at that smooth in the back. Yeah, it looks very nice, doesn't it? Yeah, and it looks very good, doesn't it? So it's very heavy. It's a bit heavy because of the so much battery life is heavy in it as well. You know. Yeah. So that's it then. So I'll show you how to set it up. How to set it up with my old iPhone 10 and transferring it all onto this phone as well. So I might transfer it all onto this phone as well. Okay. And I bought myself a case as well for it. So it's a cheap case, you know. So yeah. So okay. Oh, let's listen to the Oh, I have to do it for you guys. I have to do it for you then. All right. Okay. Here we go. I'll just make sure my fingers are not. Okay. Ready? Let's hear it. That's what you always want to listen to, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's just put that there. And look how beautiful, shiny it is. Look at that. Yeah. All right. Okay. I'm so excited. I know. So thank you for watching my video. And I'll promise I'll make some more videos about this iPhone 11 Pro. And I'll promise I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching. And please smash that thumb button and the subscribe button and the bell icon until you know when next video drops. I'll leave the boxes there, and my middle one is subscribe, and the boxes for next video. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.